Okay, we have the tire off and we had the parts ordered for this. That's the steering knuckle. It's only $45. On this rim right here, it's in pretty bad shape. Got a blowed out tire on it. In the pictures I couldn't see all that, but I'll go around and look at some more damage. This wheel's fine. The passenger side door down's fine. All in behind is fine. A little bit of scuff marks there. May have to do a bumper reshoot. All down this side looks real good. This tire here was disappointing. I didn't know this one was bad too. I don't know how it got tore up. It got punctured here. Something jabbed into it. That's too bad. That's probably $300 to $400 to replace that. Okay, down this, a little bit of trim here pushed in. Both mirrors are gone. Here's another good tire. And this headlight did have some damage on it. It did have a crack right here. So it did let in some water a little bit. Okay, we got the winch taken off. It was connected to the passenger side wheel. We got this wheel repaired. Now I believe we're ready to start pulling it off the trailer. Put out the ramps. Okay, we got the car all rigged up on the back. Now we gotta go get the tractor and pull it off real easy. It's sitting on two flats. The two front tires are good, aired up. It's turned in the right direction. So we'll go get a tractor. It runs really good.
You said, oh, it starts real good. And then the other day, or when you done that, and then you're like, oh, it's going to make me out to be a liar now. That's why I said, I think that solenoid is what's making the noise. That's what's clicking in the way, the solenoid.
Alright.
You have to go out there, bub, and back up. What? Go out there and back up to that chain.
Well, you'll hook on that other chain.
Oh, it don't matter.
Okay, I guess we're gonna try this thing with the Polaris Ranger. Right? Four-wheel drive, I think we can get it off of there. Ready to try it?
Ready. I just wanted to wait till you knew you were ready.
Doing a fine job, isn't it? Oh, a little bit further over.
Yeah, it looks like it might miss it for a second.
Better pull. It's gonna get hung up on the bottom. Yeah, it's done high centered now. May have to raise the trailer up some more. Yeah, I'll get out of there. Well, I don't know if you can you? Be careful that door, don't hit that fender.
It's fast now. Let's see if we can't get this jack higher.
Yeah. It's kind of high centered now, isn't it?
Yeah. I didn't want to pull too hard because I didn't want it dragging on me.
Right.
But if we raise this up, I let this lake down, we should be able to get higher.
Is it hot in there?
Shake and bake, they say.
Yeah, it's looking better. Maybe I should have put the flat ones on the front. You know it?
Probably would have drug on the front.
Yeah. I said go for it. What do you think?
You don't think it's going to dig in here very bad?
Well, all that trim piece others are all going to have to come off anyway. You can see it's all busted in the front.
Oh, okay. All right. All right, yeah, let go.
Oh yeah? Oh no. Well, it already had junk in there anyway.
Yeah, but I don't want to rip them off.
Yeah, that's true. Oh my. What about unhooking the trailer now?
I was gonna say, or we let that jack down and you try to pull out a little bit.
Yeah.
Just drag them that way.
Yeah, that's a good idea. Because the front wheel's gonna roll.
Right.
The back wheels are off the ramps, right? Yeah, it should pull right out from under it.
That's what I was thinking. It should. Shouldn't be too bad. Yeah, you can come out for a minute. It ain't gonna go anywhere with them flats.
Yeah, I think it'll pull out from under it now.
It's hot now. It's like 100 in there.
Oh, I bet it's hotter than that.
What are you guys gonna do now?
All right, if we go easy, then that should let it come down.
I think it'll just roll right off the trailer.
Okay.
And that way it'll save the exhaust, huh?
Yeah, well, I just don't want to tear it up.
Yeah.
Yeah, go ahead and go easy.
You're working, isn't it?
Yeah. You want to leave it like that so you can get up around whatever you need to get around?
So you can get up there and
Boy, it sure would be nice if I could get that shifter out of there.
I mean, that's what.
That'd be perfect right there.
I mean, you're more than welcome to keep it another couple of days if you need to.
Yeah.
That'll get it where you can get up under it.
Oh, yeah. That would be ideal. To leave it just like it is.
Yep.
Just crawl under it.
Yeah, heck, we could probably move. Well, I guess can't move that ramp no more, but this side might.
Yeah, just move one of the ramps.
Oh my. Oh, it's buried in glass.
What?
That one's buried in glass.
Yeah.
That's why I said
That one's buried in
once it
glass.
hit, I was like, I don't want to pull harder anymore.
See why I wanted to use my chains under there?
Yeah. That's okay.
It might be a few days before I get that out. Yeah, that'd be ideal if I could use that.
Yeah, I guess might have to run that winch back out. We should have stopped a little sooner, I guess, and pull it back on the deal wheels.
Well, I can back up just a little bit. I bet it'll go right back on there.
Well, yeah, hell, it probably won't hurt them ramps.
So
Yeah, if we back up just
that way we'll be able to pull the ramp off of there, right? So I can crawl under there.
right. That's all I was.
Oh yeah, that would be so much easier doing it like that.
Then you wouldn't be messing with that ramp.
I don't know what was leaking there. Hope
Right,
it.
fluid out of the car probably or something.
Yeah, some kind of oil. Oh my, transmission fluid or. That's not good. Okay, I'll back up a little bit.
There you go.
Right there?
Well, I said that.
Still not working?
Might have to go a pinch more.
Okay.
I can move it, I just can't get it off the tires.
Yeah.
There you go. Yeah, there it is.
Oh, wow.
And like that, you can just crawl right under.
Oh, yeah.
Whatever you need to. I'd probably still put a jack stand or something under it
Yeah.
to be safe. You know what I mean?
Oh, a piece of
Yeah,
wood
put
right
the
there, too.
brakes in on that and then
Yeah, maybe
a jack
something.
stand under there, yeah.
I'd at least put jack stand under it at least
Oh, yeah.
before I went crawling around underneath of it.
Yeah.
But at least that way he'd be able to get under there and
Oh.
then
Just being off.
I'd have so much more room that way.
it'd be better than being sitting there on a jack and
Yeah.
heck, it's hooked to your pickup. That trailer, I ain't in no hurry to get it back. So even if it's got to sit here a few more days or whatever, waiting on you to get whatever back, it ain't hurting nothing.
Yeah, that shifter be in today sometime.
They should come in about any time now.
Right.
They usually come about 4:30.
Yep. Get that shifter changed out, and then that's going to be the hard part under the car. And then the thing should start once you get the shifter put in.
Yeah.
And oil.
Yeah, we got to check the oil.
Oil. Antifreeze.
Yeah.
Yeah, it's off. That's so crazy.
Getting that much closer, huh, Rod?
Oh, yeah.
His 2008 Cadillac's nice too.
Yeah. Okay, we got this thing in accessory active park. So if it's gonna start, it should start now. Let's see what it'll do. No. Well, let me reboot it. Let me take the battery off and connect it back up and see if that will help. Yeah, where it comes back on in park, you know.
That could be true, yeah.
Okay, we got the transmission in park. We have the accessory red light off, and it should start. We'll see what it does. I gotta put my foot on the brake. Here goes nothing. we got a live motor, boys. Okay, this thing's short on. It came right back. I don't know why it's doing that. That was our first start, but I got an accessory active. Why it's doing that, I don't know. I should have looked at the panel and seen what was. See. Oh, now it's saying shift apart.
What?
It's saying shift apart. It's probably right here in this unit right here.
Because that unit's not plugged in, probably.
This unit is not plugged in, so that's why it's got another code, shift apart. I'd say once we get all this swapped out, it's going to be good to go. So we did our first start, so that's good. I just want to hear it run, and that we did.